model of Sierra at your Oklahoma GMC dealer. And now, News 9 Sports with Chris Harrison.
Good afternoon. Last night's Game 5 of the World Series, a rematch from Game 1. The veteran Orel Hershiser on the mound for Cleveland, while the Marlins went with Cuban rookie Livan Hernandez. Now, little did the Indians know, Hernandez had a special pregame meal. Miami pop singer Gloria Estefan sent him some Cuban food to get him ready for the game, and it didn't cause indigestion because he pitched a pretty good one. In the second, Devon White, the double to right, scores Charles Johnson. Great defensive play. Craig Counsell nailed at the plate, but the Marlins are still up 2-0. It's 2-1 Florida in the third. Sandy Alomar Jr. having a great year. The blast, 3-run shot. Cleveland's up 4-2. Moises Alou having a pretty good year himself. The 3-run shot to dead center field. It's 5-4 Marlins. Now, a string of horrible calls by the first base ump. First, Moises Alou should have been out, but he was called safe. Now, he steals second. He goes over the bag, should have been called out again. He later scored. Now, the other worst call, Livan Hernandez, going to go over and touch first base. Now, we're going to stop it. They say he doesn't touch first, and they called him safe. Now, despite that, Livan Hernandez pitched 8 innings, got the win. Florida is now up 3-2, and they won last night 8-7. What was that ump doing? He wasn't even watching. The Oklahoma State football team is having a fantastic season. They're 6-0, ranked 12th in the country. Tomorrow, the Cowboys will play one of their final 2 home games of the year. Despite all this, it's not going to be a sellout. There's still plenty of tickets available. Can you believe that? Go support your Pokes. If you don't, you can see it right here on TV 9, 11:30 kickoff, bright and early tomorrow morning, Oklahoma State and Missouri. Elsewhere this weekend, Kansas State at Oklahoma. Kickoff down in Norman is 1:30. CHL hockey right here tomorrow night. This is Saturday, 7:30 against Wichita. And Sunday, the Dallas Cowboys are on the road at Philadelphia. I just said the Blazers are on the road tonight, but tomorrow they are back here. Oklahoma City taking on Wichita up there tonight. Now, hopefully tonight's game will go a little easier than the CHL game between Macon and Huntsville. Take a look at this video now. This is pretty bad here, but all things considered, it's a regular hockey brawl. But then it spills over into the bench area. And the plexiglass separating the fans and the team comes down. The coach ends up getting into it, and a cop tried to restrain the coach. He resisted. The coach got arrested for resisting arrest. And then, by the way, the fight was going on also on the ice again. Hopefully the Blazer game be a little calmer. And those two teams meet again tonight.
Yeah, this is the second time in a week, though, that we've seen one of those plexiglass barriers come down because Wayne Gretzky's wife was
Janet Gretzky got knocked out cold by it.
Gosh. Wow. All right, lots going on. Yep. Appreciate it, sir. We'll be back after this.